Hi there, this is Kaur from Extreme. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are gonna talk about NFT Blizzard 2ac-90. NFT Blizzard 2ac-90 is a heavy-duty 2.45 GHz outdoor sector access point. NFT Blizzard robust access points are designed for cost-efficient professional outdoor hotspot scenarios in places such as camping grounds, warehouses, construction sites, ports, and marines. The 2ac-90 is equipped with a dual 2.45 GHz 2x2 MIMO radios reaching 29 dBm output power to deliver a 1.167 Gbps data rate. The device's gigabit Ethernet port with the 802.3 AF/80 supports allows user to power up the device using PoE switches. And when it comes to technical specification, WLAN standard is IEEE 802.11 AC, radio mode dual 2x2 MIMO. The radio frequency bands are 2.402 to 2.482 GHz country dependent, 5.150 to 5.850 GHz country dependent. The transmit power for 2.4 and 5 GHz is 29 dBm and the channel sizes are 20, 40 and 80 MHz. It is integrated with the dual polarized 2.45 GHz 90-degree sector antenna, and the gain of the antenna is 15 dBi for 5 GHz and 11 dBi for 2.4 GHz. And the power supply is 802.3 AF/80 with the passive PoE 37 to 56V support. And the power source is 100 to 240 VAC to 48 VDC PoE included, and the power consumption is 16 watt. When it comes to environmental specification, it is outdoor ingress protection rating is IP67 and operating temperature is -40 degrees Celsius to +65 degrees Celsius, and the humidity is 0 to 90% non-condensing. So let's have a look at the device, NFT Blizzard 2ac-90. This is a cookbook. NFT Blizzard 2ac-90. These are the mounting brackets. Screws and cable. This is our device, NFT Blizzard 2ac-90. It has one Ethernet port. The IP67 rated casing, integrated surge protection and easy to use pole mounting ensure an effective and inexpensive solution for various applications including public Wi-Fi, education, hospitality, retail and dining venues. The design includes additional reinforcement and strong material to ensure resilience in extreme climate conditions. The NFT Blizzard 2ac-90 has a professional metal mounting bracket designed for assembly and installation on poles. It consists of easy to connect parts that allow robust mounting and precision tilting. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like it. For more information, please visit our website and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.